Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, let's take a look again on the gold market. So you can see upward direction has started from the first support that we have discussed recently. Well, as we said today in the Forex video, actually was no real reason for action. Market currently stands without any significant news background, as everybody is watching for starting the holidays. And this was the formal reason that actually Macron fears eased, and that has led to a rally on the stock market, on the Forex market. As you understand, this is really tricky reason, and it seems more like desire of the market makers to shake the boat and using any context for possible action. So that's why I wouldn't overestimate the recent action, and it might be reversed very soon, especially when the market will start going back to the trading after the holidays. But anyway, currently we have the bullish performance. And since we have the bullish trend, and actually we were waiting for this upward action, now we could take a look at the first target that we could focus on. And those of you who haven't taken the position recently, we also need to discuss another chance for taking the position. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, I would suggest that it would be better to take a look first at the nearest target, which is 1822, although potentially with this ABCD, since we also have the hand and shoulders that we have discussed, right? So OP stands 1846, but in the current environment with the one session till the holidays, I would consider better the reaching of the just COP. Besides, I suggest this might be 127 extension. That's right. So you can see, for example, if market will start forming the butterfly here with some retracement, it might be the nearest target. It's 127 extension of the butterfly. So actually, I partially already have answered on the question how we could take the position. So once market will start forming some butterfly, keep an eye on these lows. They should stay, and market shouldn't break it down. And then you could try to catch some entry on the minor pullback here after this upward action. So target we have discussed, it stands at 1822. This is nearest one, where we could get a chance to enter. So if we'll take a look at the hourly chart, actually we do not interesting with some deep retracements or no. Mostly we need to use the most tracing swing up. Our initial ABCD pattern, as you can see, has been erased as market has shown upward action in excess of this point. That was the C point with this ABCD pattern. So market accurately hits the OP and shows fast upward reversal. So since this is some kind of the reversal bar and reversal swing, so market is forming the upward action greater than the previous swing down, either this one or that one, the retracement might be more or less significant. So I think that this 1799, 18 even area is at least the things that we could keep an eye on. Speaking about potential deeper ABCD pattern, whether we could get it or not, well, on the thin market we could get everything. So for example, what the chance that we will get this type of action, deeper retracement, before action starts, real action will start? Well, if we wouldn't have on the thin market with this upward action that we've got recently, this rally that you see on the 4-hour frame chart that looks like really impressive, it's a nice upward candle, I would say that the chance to get ABCD pattern now stands not very significant, because such an acceleration on the BC leg suggests that it's more probable that the market will keep going higher. Only minor retracement here might be as a result of this rally, but not downside continuation of this action. But in current circumstances, you can't be sure on anything. So theoretically it could be, but currently we need to follow the context that we have. Context stands bullish, all trend stands bullish on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the hourly chart, we have more or less significant acceleration here, the upward action right from the predefined level. So and this scenario suggests that it makes sense to consider taking the long position around this area. So our theoretical market could reestablish our prediction either here from or 1793, invalidation point and all of this stuff will stand below these lows. Because as I said, it might be the butterfly, for example, here. So that's actually what we have in the gold market. Let's keep watching. This will be interesting what will happen today and tomorrow.